Now we are going to learn one advanced function here, DAX function. For example, you take one column chart. Okay, I just take one column chart and just place it here. The cluster column chart I have taken. I have been placed here, and I will not filter any date here. I have been taken filter out from the date. Okay, and we take a date order date into a axis. Okay, and we need a sales value, so sales to be taken into the value. I just want to compare the sales here, right? I'm comparing a sales here, the month, like year on year basis sales I have been compared. In case I would like to compare these sales by side, like 2003 and 4 to be compared side by side, 4 and 5 to be compared side by side. Similarly, I would like to compare monthly basis, quarterly basis, and all with the previous period, like previous year, how much we sold on that particular month. This month, this year, how much we are selling in this particular month. Like this, I would like to do that one. Then what we need to do? We need to create one function for that one. Okay, I'll go to measure table, that first one where I creating a functions. New measure. Um, I just give the name as a sales underscore previous. Okay, we need to use a calculate function only here. Calculate. The expression is nothing but we need to calculate a total sum of uh, the sales we need to take, sum of sales we need to calculate, close the bracket, comma. Now in the uh, filter what we will use, we use this function called as a same period last year. Okay, I just want to filter that calculation to be filtered in such a way that the whatever we filter, whatever the chart is there, for that chart the previous year, like last year data to be taken. So previous period, last same period, so for the same period the last year data we have to take. So we select that one, and date column to be selected, so order date we will select, order date dot date, because we need to convert that order date column into a date column. Then close the bracket. It complete the year same period or last year function. One more time close the bracket, so that will complete the entire formula. Right now if I enter, it will be created here sales previous. Okay, and I just take that sales previous into the value in this particular visuals. Okay, you can see here now. If I go back to focus mode, so you will have better understanding. You can see, in case I just want this uh, legends also, okay, values also to be shown, then we can go to here format, uh, legends or not legends, data table, labels we have to turn on, so that you'll get a labels also. Now you can see the 2013, the previous year data is not there. Because of that we are not able to get the any data for that one, right? So in 2014, this is the 2014 data we have, the 4.7 million. But previous year, how much we sold? 3.5 million. But in 2015, we sold 1.8 million. But previous year, we sold about 4.7. There is a reduction in a sales happened here, right? So this way we can check the yearly basis also. We can check on the quarterly basis. Just we have to go to drill down here. You have a double arrow here. Okay, if you drill down, it will give the quarter by quarter basis, the comparison, previous year quarter. In case I will go back to report here, and will insert one filter for the year. Okay, so what we will do, we'll insert on slicer. In that slicer, we take that year ID. Okay, year ID, and I will make it as a drop down. Click on that arrow and list out the year ID. Then I will just take it here just to show us. Okay, now for example in 2003 there is no quarter, previous year quarter is not available, so it shows both are same. But when it comes to 2004, you can see it compare with the 2003 quarterly result and it compare. If I go to the 2005, it will compare with the 2004 quarterly result and it will check. In case if I take here monthly, okay, 2005 monthly we are not able to get, but in 2004 we are able to get like previous year how much it was, right? In 2003 again it won't be any difference. Okay, like this we can compare them. Okay, we can compare them. Okay, in a monthly wise, daily basis. Okay, we can compare with the previous year what happened. Okay, with the previous year how exactly it was. Okay, to compare them the period like previous with this one. Okay, previous period one we can compare by using this one called as the previous quarterly basis we can compare, or we can compare by the previous year monthly basis also we can compare the result and we can have the some analysis. So this is like same period means the selected period will be same, yearly means yearly, quarterly means quarterly, but it will take it for the last year data and it will compare with the both the things. Okay, so this will be very helpful, one of the function to compare something with the previous year datas. Okay, uh, this is all about a same period. Okay, that is nothing but same period last year function, same period last year function.